The Google Pixel tablet is here. I'm going to tell you all about it, including unboxing, setting it up, and my 5 favorite features. Here we go. Unboxing the Google Pixel tablet is pretty straightforward. You get 3 things in the box. You get the tablet, the charging adapter, and the charging dock, which becomes the hub once you connect the tablet to it. The Google Pixel tablet has a 10.95-inch display, which is 2560 by 1600 resolution and 500 nits of brightness. It also comes in at 493 grams or 17 ounces. This is the porcelain color. It also comes in a hazel colorway. There is also an 8 megapixel camera on the front and on the back of the Pixel tablet. The Pixel tablet is powered by the Google Tensor G2 and security is handled by their Titan M2 security coprocessor. As for the way the tablet feels, this is a nano-ceramic finish on it here, and it feels very cool to the touch. Feels a lot like porcelain. Really quite nice. It's got a nice grip to it, but also it feels very premium. Now, once you've finished the setup process, which is very similar to setting up a Pixel device, you'll be greeted with also doing a fingerprint unlock. So there's a fingerprint sensor right where the power button is there. Go ahead and tap on that, set that up, and you can also set up multiple fingerprints. Once you've completed the setup process, you'll be prompted to set up the hub mode, which is basically when you attach the tablet to the speaker dock. From there, you can set up such things such as the screensaver. You can add on the hub to your Google Home controls. You can link your music and your video services, as well as set up the Google Assistant for other voices. For the past 12 plus days, the Google Pixel tablet has truly become our home's entertainment hub, and I will continue to emphasize our and we because it truly has been used by everybody in our household. My 2 kids, my wife, I think even the cat has even had a chance using the tablet. And these are my 5 favorite features of the Google Pixel tablet. Number 1 is going to be the home control, in particular using our Nest video doorbell, our Nest doorbell. With this, when someone rings the doorbell, now anybody in our home can answer the door, can send voice commands, things like that. Very simple to use. We get the notification, anybody can click on that and they can answer the door with the video doorbell. We absolutely love this because now it means that we don't have to scramble for our phones. If we can't get to our phones and say our kids are nearby the tablet, they can grab the tablet, see who's at the door, answer it, things like that. It's actually taken a lot of pressure off of our shoulders as parents. We really like having this feature. Our second favorite feature is going to be watching TV and movies from using the Tubi app. We've also used the Google TV app there to watch our movies or television shows that we've downloaded or streamed. We can also use our phones, our Pixel devices, to stream from our phone directly to the tablet, which has been very nice to do. Number 3 is going to be the Family Link, and I plan on doing more videos about this. With the Family Link app, we can monitor what our kids are doing on the app and how long they're on the app. We can set a schedule for how much time they get on the app. We can actually lock the device as well. We can lock the tablet if we need to. Along with adding a kids profile, adding on the Family Link app has been really amazing, and I will have more videos about that in the future. Playing music from YouTube Music has also been a lot of fun as well. You can use other music services if you want to. Here's a quick demo and listen to what the Pixel tablet sounds like with the dock, the hub feature enabled there. There is some oomph and some kick there with the speaker. Sounds good in the living room that we had it, and also I've tried it out here in the studio and it sounds great. And the 5th feature is going to be how quick and how fast the Pixel tablet has been. We haven't experienced any slowdowns, we haven't experienced any hiccups, all the apps have updated quickly, the OTA updates have gone through no problem at all. We really enjoy how quick it is and how intuitive it is for our entire family. So there you go. There are 5 things that we really like about the Pixel tablet. My initial impressions are thumbs up. Really enjoyed as a hub, as an entertainment space for the entire house. It's been nice to be able to set up different profiles for different people and access and things like that. Access to all different types of apps, music, movies, television shows, you name it. I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something central for the entire household. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, hit that subscribe button below, hit that thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.